Dr. Dunamis D, I've been here for 16 years, and you have posted some dynamic Healing for My Soul challenges. Conquering the battleground of the mind, the bra, betrayal, rejection, abandonment, healing the heart of a woman's soul. But you know one that you have not done in a long time?
What's that? Because I feel like you bombarded me right now.
I'm bombarded. You know what? Sexual healing for the woman in you.
Yes.
Why do y'all need it?
I need it because I need to know the purpose of my sensuality.
I need to get out of that perfect patty and the religious mindset. I need it.
I need to be healed from grief. I need it because I've been holding on to my childhood issues.
I need it so my daughters can have sexual healing.
I need it because I was told it's better to marry than to burn.
And I need it because of my daddy issues. He didn't tell me I was beautiful enough.
And I needed it because I've always felt shame when it comes to sex. So I need to remove the shame.
Remove the shame. Well, you all, I guess if they need it, guess what? You need it. And I'm going to tell you right now, I need it. So I guess it's on.
It's
I'm about
on.
to do another Healing for My Soul challenge. Matter of fact, I ain't going to make it a challenge. I'm going to make it a Healing for My Soul Intensive Workshop.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to learn about some stuff. Why? Because it's going to all be about sexual healing for the woman in you. Join me. Y'all gonna be there?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Because
Front
we
and
about
center.
to get it on.
Let's get it on.
Yeah.
Let's get it on.